on the subscribe button and then tap on the bell button to get notified every time I upload my video. Thank you. Hi guys and welcome to my channel Happy Pink Studio. आप सबका मेरे चैनल में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. Thank you for so much of support and so much of love you've given for my previous videos. And if you have not watched my previous videos, then I will leave the link to it in my description box. So please have a look at it. And before you watch this video, please do not forget to subscribe. So please subscribe to my channel. And today's video was a very requested one from a lot of my friends. A lot of people had messaged me and said do a video on beginners makeup kit. So I thought why not, because your wish is my command, and I thought I must do a video on beginners makeup kit. So I had certain points in my mind before I came up with this kit. So I thought it should be something which is easily available in the market. It should be affordable and should give really good results, should have full coverage and should be good. You should be happy. So keeping all these things in mind, I have come up with this kit. So I'm going to start by step. So starting with the primers, and for primers I have chosen two primers out here. One is from Colorbar. This is the Colorbar Perfect Match Primer, and the other one is from L'Oreal Magic. Now both these primers are great, excellent. This is a gel base, this is a cream base. The only thing is that it's not good for people with dry skin, and that's because this has a matte finish and that makes your skin more dry. So people with dry skin can go with this, and this is perfect for all skin type. Okay, even for dry this is good. So this is something which I would really recommend, but even this is really good. I don't know which one to choose and tell you, because both is great. That's why I have both this in the kit, and they are not expensive. I will mention the names of all the products in the description box with the links from where you can find it. Now for foundation, I have chosen this foundation from Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. This is a great foundation. Gives an excellent coverage, not expensive at all, easily available, and if you get it in a sale, you get it in a good price also. This is really good for, and they have various shades for all skin types. I've used this many times and it has stayed on my skin for 7 to 8 hours without creasing. This is something you should go for because it gives a good coverage, you know. This is something I really love and recommend to anyone who comes to me. For concealer, go for the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is great, excellent. It literally gives a good finish to your foundation, and also when you highlight your under eye area, it just gives very good finish. So this is something I would really recommend. After you have done your base, you have done your primer, your foundation, it is very important to lock your makeup. For that I would suggest these two. This is the L'Oreal Matte All-in-One Compact Press Powder. This is Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me. I love both these because this actually locks your makeup so well that it doesn't let your foundation melt for a very long time. So I can recommend this to anybody. This is something I use most. Go for it guys. This is both is great. Great means great. So this is something I could really recommend. Now after you've done your foundation and you've locked your makeup, it's very important to do your eyebrows now. Now for eyebrows, I would recommend the LA Girl Inspiring Brow Kit. This is a great one. It has all these colors and also a wax and a highlighter, and it has a tweezer, everything you should get, and a very nice mirror also, so this is something you can actually go for, very easy to carry in your bag, and it gives a very good result. In fact, it gives complete shape to your eyebrows, so definitely something you should have. Now when you come to kajal, I am someone who do not step out without wearing kajal. Kajal is one of my favorite thing in the world of makeup. For kajal, I would only recommend the Plum Kajal. This is from Plum Goodness. It has organic ingredients and it stays on for so long, I can't tell you. It gives such a beautiful result. I will swatch this for you. This is jet black. I mean something I really love, and it stays for so long. It has a sharpener also. It comes with a sharpener. Brilliant. One of the best kajal I have seen till now, because this can be also used as an eyeliner. So go for it, guys. This is really good. Now for eyeliner, I would recommend an eyeliner from Sugar Cosmetics. This is really good because it's very easy to apply and so thin. It's very easy. You can easily create a wing liner with it, and also this stays for really long, smudge proof. Go for it. I will swatch this for you. It's so nice. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's so easy to create whatever you want with this because it's beautiful. Go for it. I actually don't want to suggest there's many eyeliners in the market like what L'Oreal has, Maybelline has. I want to suggest something which is good, which performs really well, and that's the reason I picked up this. This is great, guys. If you want to give good finish to your eyeliner, go with this because like I said, you can create whatever liner you want, wing liner, whatever. Go with this. Now comes the mascara. For mascara, I would only recommend this from Maybelline. Actually, Maybelline makes best mascaras. They have hyper curl, lot of mascaras which are good. I agree to it. But I recently came across this one and just looking at the packaging, I bought it. But once I started using it, I have not touched any other mascara because this gives so much volume to your eyelashes. It gives a good shape also, like it curls, literally curls your eyelashes. So go for it, and it's so easy to apply also. And look at the packaging. I just fell in love with the packaging. So any day I would recommend this for mascara. Now for eyeshadows, for beginners, I would only recommend this from L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal La Palette Nude in the shade Rose. The reason I'm recommending this for beginners is because this has neutral color, and once you're just starting your eyeshadows and all, do not go for something which has too much of colors, because start with pastel colors, start with summer colors, because that will really help you to know how you should do your eyeshadows properly, how you should actually create a good base, and how can you give a good shape to your eyeshadow. So I would recommend this. Very easy to apply, okay, and it's quite pigmented and all the shades are beautiful, so go for this. Now after I've completed the eye part, now it's come to the contour, and contour is something which changes your face completely because it gives a shape to your face, it gives a definition to your face. So with that, I would recommend this from L'Oreal. This is really good, and for all skin types this is really good. It has a highlighter also which is very pigmented too. Let me see, let me show you here. I don't know whether you can see, but this is awesome, and this color, this is enough to carry. This one thing is enough to carry. So for beginners, I would really recommend this. Very easy to apply and it's very easy to blend also. That's the reason I have got this here. For blushes, I have this two blush from Maybelline Color Show blush. I really love them. They are very cheap and easily available in Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart. You can see anywhere, and in sale it is more cheaper. So pigmented and good for beginners, really good for beginners. They are very pigmented, and both these colors is something which I have used quite often. It's very beautiful. Go for it, guys, because for beginners I don't suggest you to play around with blush also initially, because go for light colors. Once you're comfortable with it, go for more colors. After you put your blush comes the main part, that is highlighter. Highlighter makes you look so fresh, makes your skin glow, and for that I would only recommend this from Mary Luminizer. Beautiful highlighter. Something, it's a little expensive, I know it is a little expensive, but if you want to invest one time, I will say go for this because it's beautiful. It has a very nice mirror which is right now dirty, but it's very nice. This is so pigmented, I can't tell you, and it gives such a beautiful, gorgeous color. I mean, go for it, guys. For any high occasion, party, for a normal day, go for this. This will sort you out completely. There are many highlighters in the market. I love the one from LA Girl also. It's a stick, but I thought if you want to invest one time, then let me show you a good product. So go for this. This is available all over the world. Go for this. Now comes the lipstick part, and for lipstick also for beginners, I want to say that go with something which is pink or brown or nude shade. Do not play around with colors. For that, I've chosen these 5 lipsticks here. This one from Sugar is the best nude lipsticks if you're looking for. This is called Holy Go Lightly from Sugar. This one is so good, I can't tell you. I will swatch it for you. It's beautiful, guys. It's just beautiful summer color. You can wear it for winters. If you're going for a meeting or whatever, just go with this. This is very beautiful, and this will give you a very good color to your lips. So go with this if you're looking for a good nude shade. The second color I would recommend is from Maybelline Color Show. This is called Mysterious Mocha. A very beautiful color. It's very pigmented too. I mean, I have worn this I don't know how many times. This is beautiful and very pigmented. Very good for beginners. You know, you can wear it for parties also because it gives you that party look. So go for it. Then I would recommend a little darkish nude color. This is from Rimmel. This is in the shade Aurora. I love this lipstick. It has a very good finish. It's beautiful. It has a pink touch to it also, and it stays on for very long. Something I love, and whenever I travel, this is always in my travel kit. Now this is one more lipstick from Sugar which I love because it has a brown finish to it, and it is so pigmented and matte. Okay, completely matte. I love it. I love it. It's so beautiful, I can't tell you. I have chosen the best colors, guys. Believe me, go for this. This will be the best one for your beginner's kit. Now, if you want something in pink, I have chosen this one from Lakme. This is Lakme 95 Weightless Matte Most not foundation lipstick. This is in the shade Pink Plush. I love this color. This is like too summery. This is, and completely matte. I don't know if you can see. I hope you can see. Completely matte, beautiful, stays on for very long, and it can be also used as a blush. So one lipstick does all your work. So go for this. Guys, so these were my recommendations for beginner's kit. Believe me, I have chosen the best products from best brands which really gives good coverage and performs very well, gives you the result you want. So go for it if you're looking for a kit for yourself when you're starting your makeup, and even for people who have been doing makeup but still are looking for a good kit for this is something I would really suggest. I hope you liked today's video. I hope it was useful for you. If it was, then please give it a thumbs up and comment below and let me know whether you liked it or not. And if you wanted me to include more products, let me know, because I thought I have covered each category really well. That's what I think. And before I end this video, I would request you all to please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. That is really going to motivate me to make much better videos. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye. You all have a great day.